Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on torsion of circular shaft. Problem number 4. Let us read what is given here. During test on a sample of steel bar means steel circular rod 25 mm in diameter, it is found that the pull of 50 kilonewton produces an extension of 0.095 millimeter. Extension means increase in length of 0.095 millimeter on a length of 200 millimeter. This is the gauge length. Gauge length means experimental length, and a torque 200 Newton meter produces an angle of twist of 0.9 degree on a length of 5 millimeter. We find the Poisson's ratio of the steel bar. Okay, in our problem, given pull equal to 50 kilonewton, 50 kilonewton equal to 50 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. Pull means tensile force is applied 50 kilonewton. Here D means diameter of the steel bar equal to 25 millimeter. Delta 1 means extension or increase in length equal to 0.095 millimeter. Gauge length equal to millimeter. Gauge length means measure length for test within which the experimental is done. Here T equal to torque transmitted by steel bar equal to 200 Newton meter. That means 200 into 10 to the power 3 Newton millimeter. This is for torsion test. This is for tensile test. Theta for torsion test, theta angle of twist equal to 0.9 degree. At length it is experiment on length L equal to 250 millimeter. Okay. Tensile test is done on gauge length 200 millimeter and torsion test is done length equal to 250 millimeter. Okay. Now we find out mu. Mu means we find out Poisson's ratio of the steel bar. Okay. We know Young modulus E is the ratio of tensile stress by tensile strain. Tensile means the material is under tension. Tensile stress is the magnitude of the force applied along a elastic rod divided by the cross-sectional area of the rod. Stress means force by area. Tensile strain means it is the extension per unit original length of the steel bar. Here strain equal to extension by original length, here gauge length. In our problem, stress equal to force by area, force equal to 50 into 10 to the power 3 Newton, area equal to pi by 4 d square, pi by 4 d equal to 25 square, strain equal to extension by gauge length, extension here 0.095 millimeter and gauge length or experimental length equal to 200 millimeter. Here value of Young modulus E, equal to 214,440.34 Newton per millimeter square. Okay. This is for tensile test. Now from torsional experiment, for torsion experiment or for torsion test, here T equal to torque transmitted by steel bar given 200 Newton meter, that means 200 into 10 to the power 3 Newton millimeter. Theta given, theta angle of twist equal to 0.90 degree. Now we convert it into radian, equal to 0.90 into pi by 180, it is converted to radian. L equal to length of steel bar on which torsional test being done. Torsional test is done on length L equal to 250 millimeter. Now IP polar moment of inertia of solid steel bar equal to formula equal to pi by 32 small d to the power 4 small d diameter of solid steel bar. In our problem, diameter of steel bar given 25 millimeter, we just put the value pi by 32 into 25 to the power 4. Calculation IP equal to 38349.52 millimeter to the power 4. Unit of polar moment of inertia millimeter to the power 4. Okay. Now, considering rigidity, consideration of angle of twist, formula is T by IP equal to G theta by L. T torque tensed by steel bar, IP polar moment of inertia of the steel bar, G means modulus of rigidity. We find G, theta equal to angle of twist, L equal to length of the steel bar. For torsional test, length of the steel bar 250 millimeter. Now we just put the value of T 200 into 10 to the power 3 Newton millimeter. Value of IP 3834.952 millimeter to the power 4. Value of theta in degree 0.9 into pi by 180. This is for change the degree into radian, and length, experimental length for torsion test L equal to 250 millimeter. From this, G modulus of rigidity, by calculation we get G equal to 8302.314 Newton per millimeter square. Okay. Now, from the relation between elastic constant means here E is the Young modulus, G is the modulus of rigidity, mu equal to Poisson's ratio. This is the relation between E, G and mu. E is the Young modulus. Young modulus means linear stress by linear strain. G equal to modulus of rigidity, that means shear stress by shear strain. Mu equal to Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio means if a bar is under tension, then it is increase in length. This is the increase in length. So longitudinal strain equal to increase in length, this length, by original length. Lateral strain means by the application of tensile force, diameter change. This is the reduced diameter. This is the reduced diameter. Lateral strain means decrease in diameter by original diameter. Okay, now we get the value of E. Value of E equal to 21444 Newton per millimeter square. This is 2. Value of G 83002.314 Newton per millimeter square. We find out the value of mu. From this, mu equal to, by calculation, mu equal to 0.29177. This is unit less. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.